Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving headfirst into the On the left, we've got the iRobot Roomba J7, and on the right, the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1. It's time to see which one will suck the best. Let's get to it. First up, let's talk about the Benjamins. The Roomba J7 comes in at $599. Not too shabby, right? But hold your wallets, because the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 is a bit more bougie at $699. That's an extra $100, folks. So if you're looking to save a bit of dough, the Roomba's already got a leg up. Or should I say, a brush up. Now, let's see how these bots handle navigation. The Roomba J7 is like a ninja with its imprint smart mapping. It knows your house better than you do. Plus, it's got customizable keep-out zones. So no more Roomba crashing into your Lego masterpiece. Meanwhile, the Shark Matrix Plus has 360 degrees LiDAR vision. It's practically a self-driving car. But does it have keep-out zones? Nope. So if you've got a rogue pet hamster, good luck. All right, cleaning performance. The Roomba J7 is like your reliable friend who shows up, does the job, and leaves. It's got advanced sensors to avoid stairs and furniture. But the Shark Matrix Plus? It's like that overachieving cousin who vacuums, mops, and even blasts air into corners. Sonic mopping at 100 scrubs per minute? That's like a workout for your floors. And let's not forget, it self-empties and has a self-cleaning brush roll. Basically, it's the Mr. Clean of robot vacuums. Special features time. The Roomba J7 has iRobot Genius, which means it starts cleaning when you leave and stops when you come back. It's like having a ghost butler. On the other hand, the Shark Matrix Plus is packed with HEPA filtration, making it perfect for homes with pets. It captures 99.97% of dust and allergens. Allergies? Not today, Satan. Pet owners, listen up. The Roomba J7 does a solid job with pet hair, but the Shark Matrix Plus is the real MVP here. With its self-cleaning brush roll and powerful suction, it's like having a personal pet hair terminator. Hasta la vista, furballs. Let's take a quick look at what Amazon reviewers are saying. The iRobot Roomba J7 is praised for its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition features, making it efficient and less prone to getting stuck. However, it might have minor issues with light transitions and bin sensor accuracy. On the other hand, the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 is appreciated for its effective dust and debris collection, ease of setup, and user-friendly app. Some users noted it might miss small areas on the carpet and occasionally struggle to find its charging base. So there you have it, folks. Both the iRobot Roomba J7 and the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 have their strengths. If you're all about smart mapping and saving a bit of cash, the Roomba J7 is your buddy. But if you want a vacuum that does it all, mops, self-empties, and can handle pet hair like a champ, the Shark Matrix Plus is your go-to. Either way, your floors are going to be cleaner than your browser history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean, smart shoppers.